225 switch expansion joint, back to para 328. 1. An expansion joint installed at each end of LWR, CWR to permit expansion, contraction of the adjoining breathing lengths due to temperature variations. 2. Normally, sage are provided for same rail sections. In case sage is required to be provided between the junction of two different rail sections such as 52 kg rail and 60 kg rail, combination sage as per standard RDSO drawing shall be provided. Note: for the guidance of field officials, some of the commonly used glued joints and sage are as per Annexure 2/4 A and 2/4 B. For detailed information, respective RDSO drawings with their latest alterations and/or track manual may be referred. E. Commonly used SEJs. S. No RDSO drawing, no rail section, maximum design gap 1 RT 4160 52 kg per meter 80 mm 2 RT 4165 60 kg per meter 80 mm 3 RT 6902 60 kg per meter 80 mm, single gap 4 RT 6914 52 kg per meter 80 mm, single gap 5 RT 6922 60 kg per meter 65 mm, double gap 6 RT 6930 52 kg per meter 65 mm, double gap. Note: combination sage to RDSO drawing no. RT 6782 with 80 mm gap shall be provided between the junction of 52 kg rail and 60 kg rail. 328 Location of sage. The exact location of sage shall be fixed taking into account the location of various obligatory points such as level crossing, bridges, points in crossing, gradients, curves and insulated joints. The various designs of SEJs in use on Indian Railways are as per para 225. 1. The conventional sage, RT 4160 and RT 4165, with straight tongue and stalk shall. 83. Not be located on curves sharper than 0.5 degrees, 3500 meters radius. 2. The improved SEJs, RT 6902, RT 6914, RT 6922, RT 6930, may be located on curves up to 2 degrees. For curves beyond 2 degrees and up to 4 degrees, ISEJs shall be laid to DRG. No. RT 8924, 80 mm max gap, or RT 8926, 65 mm max gap, for 60 kg BG track with the approval of CTE. 3. Thick web switch expansion joints, TWSEJ, on straight track, TWSEJ, RT 8822, shall be provided progressively in place of sage, improved sage during the renewals, replacements, new works in approved temperature zones. 4. Sage of any type shall not be located on transition of curves.